Hi, I am Swananda. Here I have came with the CA Foundation tips and tricks strategy for quantitative aptitude paper. So let's start. So if we discuss first, we have two choices. Like stats come for 40 marks and maths come for 40 marks. 80 marks and 20 is for logical reasoning. Okay. So I personally recommend you to give more focus on statistics if your maths is weak, but if any students has if any students maths is stronger, so I'll prefer them to study maths before than statistics. Okay. So if we talk about the students whose maths is not strong, so you can go with statistics. Statistics has mainly 7 chapters, and first 2 chapters, statistical description of data and central tendency and dispersions, carry 10 to 15 marks if you have, and the chapters are very simple. So if you give more focus on that chapters, you will achieve a higher a good value in come time. So statistical description of data, central tendency, probability is also simple, probabilities chapters, and apna correlation and regression is a hard chapter, but you can cover it by having one shots or by PW Anurag sir. I personally recommend you to watch Anurag sir one shots. He has given many more one shots in his channel, so please go watch it. You will be very helpful. So if we come to the logical reasoning, so logical reasoning come for 20 marks, have 4 chapter. uh, Blood relation, it covers the simple what is whose daughter, who is father, so you can cover it. It carry 5 marks. And direction test, north, south, east, west, it is very simple common sense questions रहते हैं, तो it is very simple. तो डायरेक्शन टेस्ट और बाकी का वही सेट्स कॉम्बिनेशन सिंपल, वो लॉजिकल रीजनिंग वेरी सिंपल, यू कैन गो विथ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग ऑल चैप्टर, इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन फोकस ऑन नाउ वी कैन विल बी गो ऑन मैथ्स. So maths have 8 chapters. So I personally recommend you can skip calculus if you have not taken maths in your 12th, because calculus contain derivatives and many more things. Okay, so you can skip calculus, it only cover 2 3 marks, but if you have taken maths in 12th, you can go for it, or you can also go for it if you have not taken maths. Okay, so but I don't recommend you to do calculus like chapters in starting or in this 2.5 months. So okay, indices also only cover only 1 marks, so I also recommend you to you can skip indices, because by studying the chapter for 2 to 3 days in this months, and for only 1 marks is worthless, so you can skip the indices chapter. You can focus on more mathematics of finance, SI, CI, NFTs, face value, previous value, very easy chapter to score, and it cover 15 to 20 marks. So focus on more mathematics of finance. And secondly, I recommend you to focus on permutation and combination, because it is very simple and you can easily understand the topics of it. Okay, so third, I recommend you to study sequence series like AP, GP. You are already studied in the 10th and 9th, so it is very simple to understand. Okay, so 3 chapters done, you have covered 15 20 marks, 30 marks statistics, 20 marks or 15 marks in logical reasoning, and 20 30 marks in mathematics of finance. You have already passed the paper of quantitative aptitude. If you have to go to aggregate, so I tell you to cover all syllabus of quantitative aptitudes, and like all doing all chapters, no skipping word to word detail, but it is not possible in these 2.5 months. So I recommend you to go with mathematics of finance. Second, statistics all chapters of more, give more focus on statistical description of data, central tendency, dispersion and probability. Then logical reasoning 20 marks in your hand, and then you can go to permutation, combination, sequence series. You can skip indices, calculus, because it only carry 5 marks. You can skip 5 marks in paper. No one in this have attempted 100 marks paper in quantitative aptitude if his maths is not strong, if his math is strong. So you can also go for 90 to 95 attempt, if and you can easily score 6 to 65 marks. That's it, sir. Thank you for watching me. You can like, share and subscribe.